Here you can see children, use of verb. I have written here only 3 forms of verb. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3. Present, past and past participle. We generally use in our sentences present and past. We all know, but we don't know where to use verb 3. That is third form of verb. लिखते हैं, लिख लिए, लेते हैं, ले लिए, तोड़ते हैं, तोड़ लिए, पानी डालते हैं, डाल लिए, खाते हैं, खा लिए, ड्रॉ करते हैं, ड्रॉ कर लिए. But here we should know where to use. We have to use this verb 3 along with has, have and had. Suppose I write, मैं लिखता हूँ. I wrote, मैं लिख लिया. And I have said that has, have and had. मैं लिख चुका हूँ. I have written. और मैं लिख चुका था. I had written. In the same way, take. I take milk. मैं दूध लेता हूँ. I took milk. मैंने दूध ले लिया. मैं दूध ले चुका हूँ. I have taken milk. और मैं दूध ले चुका था. I had taken milk. Pluck, plucked, plucked. Pluck, children pluck flowers. Yesterday, some children plucked flowers. Today in the morning, I have plucked flowers. Yesterday, my grandma had plucked flowers. That means मैं फूल तोड़ता हूँ या तोड़ती हूँ. मैंने फूल तोड़ा. मैं फूल तोड़ चुकी हूँ. I have plucked flowers today. Yesterday my grandma had plucked flowers. कल, बीते हुए कल मेरी ग्रैंडमा ने फूल तोड़ लिया था. In the same way, water, water, watered. I water plants. I watered plants yesterday and I have watered plants. That means मैं पानी डाल चुका हूँ और मैं पानी डाल चुका था. I had watered plants. Eat, ate, eaten. I eat fruits. I ate fruits. मैं खाता हूँ फल. मैं खा लिया फल. मैं खा चुका हूँ फल. I have eaten fruits. मैंने खा लिया था. I had eaten fruits. In the same way, मैं ड्राइंग करता हूँ. I draw pictures. मैंने ड्राइंग कर लिया. I drew pictures. मैं ड्राइंग कर चुका हूँ. I have drawn pictures. और मैंने कल सुंदर सा एक ड्राइंग कर लिया था. Yesterday I had drawn beautiful pictures. So in the same way, I had explained, I had written some examples. just like in present करते हैं, past कर लिया. I write, I wrote. We take milk, we took milk yesterday. You pluck flowers, you plucked flowers. They water the plants, they watered the plants. Here I have written all first form of verb without s or es. But here in he and she, I have used with the verb s or es in present only. But in past, there will be no s or es. वह बच्चा फल खाता है. उसने फल खा लिया. उस छोटी सी बच्ची ड्राइंग करती है. उसने ड्राइंग कर लिया. Now, here in the same way as I explained you here, where to use has, have, had and verb 3. In the same way, I have written letters. मैं लिख चुका हूँ. We have taken fruits. हम फ्रूट्स ले चुके हैं. तुम फूल तोड़ चुके हो. You have plucked flowers. वे क्या कर चुके हैं? पानी डाल चुके हैं पौधे में. रवि खा चुका है बनाना. नीना has drawn pictures. वह बना चुकी है. Boys have completed their work. लड़कों ने अपना काम कर लिया है. Children have shouted loudly. बच्चों ने जोर से चिल्ला लिया है. I have used only has and have. But here in the last, Ravi had already finished his work. वो काम कर चुका था. Ravi had already taken his food. वह ले चुका था खाना. Had and finished. Had and verb 3. Take, took, taken. Had and verb 3. In the same way, if I will ask you, a camel has and have, walk and walked on sand, what will come? A camel in present. A camel has walked on sand. A camel, एक camel क्या कर लिया है? चल चुका है. कहाँ पे? On sand. A lion has eaten flesh. Lion खा चुका है. Flesh. All these are which form of verb? Verb 3. A cow has drunk water. A cow ने क्या कर लिया है? पानी पी चुका है. In the same way, we can use had in place of has or have. We can use had. मतलब जो काम कर चुके थे, at that time we will use had as well as verb 3. But we should know that means different forms of verb 3. Just like fly का क्या होना चाहिए? Fly will be flew in past. And in past participle, fly, flew, flown in past participle. In the same way, a butterfly has sucked honey. Butterfly क्या कर चुका है? हनी को मतलब सक कर लिया है, चूस लिया है, चूस चुका है. बफेलोज हैव क्रॉस्ड द फील्ड. बफेलोज ने फील्ड को क्रॉस कर लिया है. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ हैज़ एंड हैव वी कैन यूज हैड इन पास्ट. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन do much more or complete our task. How we can complete our task? By listening to this video. You listen to the video, understand first, then you frame few sentences. It is not necessary to frame sentences. It is necessary to I want to say that it is necessary to understand. It is necessary to understand. Suppose if I will ask you, have you completed your work? Yes, ma'am, I have completed my work. Yes. Did you complete your work? Yes, ma'am. Did you complete your work? Yes, ma'am, I completed my work. Did you complete your work? So did is there, so complete will be completed. In the same way, you should know the use in different while writing the answers. You will be able to. If I will ask you, had you completed your work yesterday? Yes, I had completed. हाँ, मैं काम कर चुका था yesterday. Ravi, had you written your letter? Yes, I had completed yesterday, ma'am. Had will come. Where to use had? Where to use has and have and verb 3. That is much more important. We should know the use of verb 3 as we already learnt the use of verb 1 and verb 2. And today we have learnt the use of verb 3.